There are three sites that I want to tell you about, and I don't know if you've heard of these before, but the first one is called Job Change Alerts. Have you heard of this website before?
No, I haven't heard of that, Jim.
Actually, it's really cool. It's kind of like a Bullhorn Reach, but for the most part, what it does is it hooks into your LinkedIn account. And if you go to jobchangealerts.com and log in with your LinkedIn ID and password, it will then link up your LinkedIn and give you anytime that anybody does an update to their profile, but birthdays and promotions, and allows you to have kind of that trigger, that smoke detector that one, there may be an opening where the person just got promoted to, or there may be peers of theirs that didn't get that job, so you might want to recruit them, or that, when people are maybe spending a lot of time updating their profile, they may be ready to make that change. So that's pretty good.
Awesome, yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, there are other products that do it, but that one's a cool one that I like. The other one is, I know you had talked about having something similar to this, but there's one that's called Emails for the number 4 Corporations. Have you seen that website before?
No, I haven't seen that, Jim.
So basically, it's a concept of, it has all the email addresses and the formulas and the patterns that the corporations use. So you just log into this website, and it gives you a sample of like first name dot last name at, and it gives you what the corporation is. So it's a really cool site for that. And then the last thing is that I really like is for email patterns. In the SourceCon Grandmaster Challenge, I actually had to use this tool. It's called Mail Tester, MAIL tester.com. And what it does is, you can use it after you've done this email for corporations, is mailtester.com allows you to put in an email address and hit a button, and it'll tell you if it's a legit email address or not. So
that is great.
Yeah, so that way you don't have to send them an email to only get it rejected and come back. So that's another one, another pretty cool tool that I've used before that really enjoy. So thought I'd share a couple of those, and also test out the Google Hangout and the ability to record and have this be posted actually to YouTube.
This is great, Jim, and of course, thanks for sharing all this with me as well. Just awesome.
No problem. Well, cool. Any other questions or anything?
No, that'd be great. Appreciate it, Jim.
All right, man. Talk to you later. See ya.
Bye-bye.